Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use magnification zoom on MacBook Air. To do this, we'll need to open our system settings, then locate the accessibility. Here is the zoom, and now make sure that it's enabled. You can use the buttons that are visible right here to toggle zoom, zoom in and zoom out. So now let's try it out. And first one is this, and 8. This will toggle zoom. Click on it again and it will turn off. Now we can also zoom in by clicking on the corresponding buttons and zoom out using the same buttons. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.